students, my name is Uncle Ten. Today we are going to have a lesson on grade 4 mathematics on a very interesting topic called algebraic expressions. Algebra is a mathematics language that combines letters, symbols, and numbers to make meaning. It is in algebra that we can have a language or a statement like 2x plus 5. This is an algebraic statement, and in algebra we understand the meaning of 2x plus 5. Whenever you have a number or an expression like this, separated by plus or minus sign, then each item in the expression is called a term. So this one is one term, this one is one term. A term in an expression that has no letter attached to it is called a constant. So the number 5 in this expression is constant because no letter is attached to it. A term with a letter attached to it is called an expression, although the entire statement is an expression. But we usually give this name to terms that have letters attached to them. The letter that is attached to a number in an expression is called a variable. A variable. A letter that is attached to a number is called a variable. Or even if the letter is not attached to a number, it is still called a variable. But in algebra, letters do not stand alone. They are always attached to variables. For example, if I write x, it doesn't mean I have x. I have 1x, but because it is 1, we omit the 1, and then we write only the x. The fact that you see x doesn't mean the x is alone, right? It is attached to the number 1. So it is actually 1x whenever you see x alone. And the number that is attached to the variable is called the coefficient. So in this expression, the number 2 is the coefficient of the variable x, and the variable x is the variable of the coefficient 2, and 5 is constant. Guys, it is very, very simple to deal with addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. There are only 2 rules here that must come to play. 1, like terms can be added or subtracted. The next one will be this. Unlike terms can neither be added nor subtracted. So, like terms can be added or subtracted. Unlike terms can neither be added nor subtracted. Okay? If you know these rules at your fingertips, then you are good to go with the arithmetic of algebraic expressions. Terms are referred to as like terms when they have the same variables attached to them, like 2x, 3x, 4x, 5y, 2y. Because they have the same variables attached to them, we call them like terms. But when we have terms with different variables like 2x and 5y, they are unlike terms. In algebraic expression, only like terms can be added or subtracted. Unlike terms can neither be added nor subtracted. Let's perform some simple arithmetics here. Let's say we have 2x plus 2y plus 5x. We are supposed to simplify this expression by adding like terms. We can see that 2x and 5x are having the same variables, so they are like terms, so we can add them. Adding 2x and 5x will give us 7x. 2y has a different variable, so it cannot be added, so it still stands alone as 2y. Therefore, the result for 2x plus 2y plus 5x is 7x plus 2y. Let's take another expression. 8m minus 4n plus 6m plus 3m plus 4n. Okay? We have to add like terms. So the first thing we do is to group the like terms. Put all the like terms together. So we have 8m. Now I have plus 6m. Also have plus 3m. These are like terms. Another set of like terms, minus 4n plus 4n. So I can put my like terms together. 8m plus 6m will give us 14m. Plus 3m will give us 17m. Minus 4n plus 4n. This will give us 0. So at the end, our result for 8m minus 4n plus 6m plus 3m plus 4n is 17m. Let's take another example. 2xy minus 16yx plus 4xy. The rules are very, very simple. We put the like terms together. So the like terms here are 2xy plus 4xy. Then we have minus 16yx. Minus 16yx is a different term because the variables are arranged in a different way compared to 2xy. Here it is xy, but here it's yx. Therefore, this term is different from these two terms. So I can add 2xy and 4xy to get 6xy. However, I cannot subtract 16yx because it is not a like term. So my answer is finally going to be 6xy minus 16yx. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Please come to the school premises for your assignment. Do it and submit for grading. Take good care of yourself. Stay home and stay safe. Bye-bye.